Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you why can't you see someone's following list on Instagram. So first of all, you need to go to the Instagram, and there are two reasons of why you can't see someone's following list. So for example, I'll go to someone's account, for example this guy, and as you can see, if I click on the following list of this guy, I can't see his following list, I can't open it. That is because he has a private account. So the first reason is, if a guy has a private account, it means you can't see his following list, and so you need to request him, and if he will approve your request, you will be able to see his following list. And the second reason why you can't see the following list is because someone blocked you. Because if, for example, I will go and block this guy, so for example, if I block this guy on the three dots and click on the block button, he won't be able to see my following list also. And that is two reasons. But the third reason may be, if you go to the Safari and type in down detector Instagram and go and search for the website called down detector, if you found out that Instagram has some issues with the servers, it basically means that there are some problems, and it may be the reason why you can see the following list. But more frequently, that is because of private account or or because of someone blocked you. And this is the main two reasons, and that is basically it. That is why you can see someone's following list on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.